Brookfield Europe is a subsidiary of Brookfield Asset Management, which is a global asset management company focused on long-term sustainable product. It's divided into three main areas: infrastructure, property and construction. Within Europe, we invest, design and build long-term sustainable product, and that varies from both commercial office buildings and healthcare facilities. Our main focus is looking at design and build and PFI within large-scale acute hospital opportunities. We focus on the larger of those opportunities based on that's where we think we can provide a unique point of difference to the rest of the market. We are focused on asset management as a global business, and therefore we add value in relation to the design and construction element of the project as we bring it forward. So really understanding what the trusts want to achieve at the end of the day and making sure those products are there for the long term.
I think at Brookfield we strive to provide healthcare facilities that are moving away from the rather institutional facilities that we had in the past. We're very strong worldwide on creating high quality environments in public buildings, whether they be hotels, whether they be main concourse areas of shopping malls, and it's important to bring that sort of environment into the hospital facilities and get away from being an institution where patients are treated, and try and make it more of an experience for both the patients and the people going to visit them. Peterborough Hospital PFI project has been a terrific job for Brookfield and has an excellent reputation in the market, largely due to the strength of relationships amongst the project team. We've all worked hard at understanding each other's needs, and this has made dealing with the inevitable day-to-day issues a lot easier. The main 96,000 square metre acute hospital for the Peterborough and Stanford NHS Foundation Trust is due for completion at the end of September this year, 3 months ahead of programme. The build is virtually complete, and we are now going through testing with the independent tester and room checks with the Trust. The Trust would not normally get this opportunity to inspect the rooms prior to handover, but we have opened the doors to them to ensure that when they do move in, everything is as they expected. We are also working closely with them to ensure that they can meet the target of being fully operational within 6 weeks of us finishing, which is no mean feat when you are moving 2 hospitals into one. All in all, it has been incredibly hard work, but hugely enjoyable for all, and the whole project team driving in the same direction has made the project the success it is. The last Gateway review complimented the team on having the best relationships they had come across on any project, which was very nice to hear.
Our focus at the end of the day is on the trust and the product that we're going to deliver for that trust, and making sure that over the period in which that trust is going to operate within that hospital, that they always remember us at the front of their mind in creating that product. That reputation and what the client thinks of us is what we think is key going forward. And so therefore, to achieve that, we need to focus on specific trust that we want to target as projects that we think we can add value to, and that relationship there is for the long term. We are not the sort of business that is there to create the product and then leave. We would like the repeat business and also the reputation from that trust to be the thing that carried us for us to other trusts within the UK. And that's why we have been so focused on the hospitals to date in Peterborough and Glasgow. Future opportunities that are coming up, we're specifically targeting those things where we can add value. And they are the larger scale projects where we can use not only our financial capabilities to be effective within those projects going forward, but also the knowledge that we've gained by providing the right teams, the right people, and building those relationships and really understanding what those trusts want to achieve at the end of the day. Listening, I think, is key.